Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, March 30th, and I have some fun Tim Holtz fabric and a brand new handmade market vendor to share with you. So first up is Tim Holtz. These first two are called Foundations. Foundations features Tim Holtz's most popular prints in his nostalgic style of timeless typography, found objects, and other ephemera. So you may have seen both of these prints in the past, but now they are back in the shop with us because they are some of his best sellers. And then next up is Embark. Wow, that looks like the same thing. Oh, this is Canvas version. I'm like, I just showed this to you. I knew I did. Okay. Embark is, it's time to embark on a journey with new substrates. Free Spirit has combined Tim Holtz's new 100% cotton canvas cloth with some of the most popular prints in his Eclectic Elements collection. This collection is perfect for crafting, bags, and more. So let me open this up so I can somewhat share the texture with you. You can see it's a little crunchier, it's really not a heavy canvas though. It's not like a duck canvas. It's still very movable, but it is a little bit heavier, great for bag making or for like seat covering, that kind of thing. And here are just some others. I love this one. I love reading all of Tim Holtz fabric because he spends a lot of time and energy on the words and interesting pieces. This one would be a really cute market bag. And then finally we have, that's fun. Here, let's open that up. Let's open it up and look. Some really fun pictures. All right, and that's what we have for you today. So those last 6 bolts I showed you are canvas, and then the other two in the front were regular 45 cotton. Now we have a new market vendor for you. This is Riven Raven Workshop. Look how cool this dragon train is. After many years in the marketing space, I founded Riven Raven Workshop out of a desire to recapture the feeling I had as a child of working with my grandfather in his workshop. I wanted to work with my hands to connect more directly with my customers and to craft things that would bring people joy. Through Riven Raven Workshop, I can do that. I make everything from simple children's toys to fiber craft tools, intarsia animals to Kamiko frames, gilded labyrinths to brass inlaid keepsake boxes. I really like this. I think we need this in my house. And then this, and this are the two giveaways from Riven Raven. This is really fun, just kind of a knotted, how it's all tied together, the knotted robot toy, which is a little ironic that you're playing with a robot made out of wood. So I hope you'll come and check out Riven Raven as they are brand new to us, and I'm excited to see what they have. I also just sent them a picture of something I found online that's a really fun way to adorn sweaters. So maybe they'll have something brand new that they've never even made before when they come to our market. Again, our market is April 22nd, 10 to 4. We hope that you write it on your calendar, and we hope to see you there. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.